everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the yarn hauls that I have gotten over the last few weeks. I do want to apologize for the video and possibly the sound. This last week my equipment has decided to die. So I will be doing this video from my phone, and I hope that it turns out okay so that you're able to check things out. My first adventure out was to the Joann's anniversary sale, and they had buy three, get two free on skeins of yarn. So a couple of the yarns I got were the Lion Brand Heartland yarn, and I got those in the color Kings Canyon, and also the other color was Hot Springs. I also picked up some basic stitch yarn, which I really do like this yarn, and I'm going to need to do a comparison with the Premier yarns because I do like these about the same. So I got a couple skeins of that, and the colors I got were Eggplant, Prism, which is the pinky purple, and Mustard. And I also bought some of the Big Twist yarn. I have never purchased this before, but it feels really nice, and the price, it couldn't be beat, so I thought I'd give it a try. I did buy two different colors of the Big Twist yarn that has a little sparkle in it. One of the colors is gray, and the other one is mulberry. And then I did buy just the regular Big Twist, and the colors I got there were slate blue and deep red. And then I came home and I had the pretty box with the red tape around it from Premier Yarn. So let's take a look at what we have in here. I did have a coupon, and also they were running a special, so I thought I would stock up. I do love the anti-pilling yarn, and like I said, I'm going to have to do a comparison with the Lion Brand Basic Stitch because they both are really, really soft, and I do enjoy working with them. So for the anti-pilling, I did get some traditional colors, and they also had some new colors that I wanted to try out. So I did get the color Snow White, and I also got the new color called Green Apple, and a new color called Blueberry, new Silver, a new African Violet, and a new color Berry. I'm pretty excited to use these. Like I said before, I just love Premier Yarns, and I just really love how they work up, so I can't wait to use those. And the next thing I bought was Premier Eversoft yarn. I have never bought this yarn either, so I thought I would give it a try, see how it felt. And the colors that I got in here were dark cherry and three new colors: mist, thistle, and peach. And when I took this out of the wrapping, it was so very soft. I'm really pleased with how it feels. So I'm very excited again to use this new yarn to see how it works up. And the next yarn in the box was the Premier Cotton Fair yarn. I didn't get it in the color moss. I'm wanting to make some like beauty type crochet things like facial scrubs and maybe a soap bag or things like that, and I really wanted to get some cotton yarn, so I thought I would try it in this color for that type of work that I want to do. So last but not least, you can see them in the bottom here. I did buy some of the bobbins. The three that I bought were Goldenrod, Blue Moon, and periwinkle. I've seen other reviews of the bobbins, some positive, some not so positive. They are big. I will let you know that they take up quite a bit of room, but it looks like they might be fun to work with. And let's take a look at this yellow one here a little more closely. You can see, there are the three different colors that are on here. And the way that the packaging is it's not bad how it came. So I want to see how this feels as well. So um, as I open it, you can see that it, it it's like a typical Premier yarn. It feels nice. It's soft. The little ledge here has three little slots. My guess is that is to pull the yarn through. I don't do bobbin work, so I'm not really sure exactly how to use this, but I did see Premier had on their YouTube channel how to work with this bobbin yarn. And when you tear out the center hole, you can see there are all the colors. And like I said, I'm not real sure how to work with this, but I'm going to give it a try. I think it looks kind of fun. Um, there is quite a bit of yarn on there. I'm not going to say a ton, but hey, why not? Give it a try. And if I don't like it, I won't buy it again. Thanks everyone for joining me as I showed you some of my yarn haul. I will be doing some reviews on some of these yarns in the near future, letting you know how I like them, how they wash up, things along that line. But as a lot of you know, I do love Premier yarns, and these bobbins are kind of cool. So I thought I'd give you an opportunity to win one. So the Blue Moon I will be giving away. Um, so please leave me a comment below. Nothing specific. Hi, how you doing? Whatever you want. Also give the video a thumbs up. The normal rules will apply 18 years or older. Void where prohibited. If I can't mail it to your country, you can't actually win. So, but it will be open worldwide. I am not affiliated with YouTube or Premier Yarns, and all entries must comply with the YouTube community guidelines. And I will leave this giveaway open up until next Saturday, which is the 29th around noon Eastern Standard Time. And I will do a drawing at that time and post a video along that line. Hopefully my equipment will be back working so that it will be a little better of a video than what I'm doing here on my phone. Um, Again, thank you all for joining me today, and stay safe. Peace, love, and happiness to y'all. Take care.